The following video outlines the steps necessary to properly install PE1000 Plus injection adhesive anchoring systems. Those steps include drilling the hole, properly cleaning the hole, preparing the adhesive to inject, installing the adhesive, and instructions regarding the proper curing and loading times.
PE1000 Plus is a two-component epoxy injection adhesive system.
The system includes injection adhesive, mixing nozzles, dispensing tools, steel brushes, and hand pump equipment. Compressed air must be used for larger sized hardware. The PE1000 Plus has been evaluated for uncracked concrete only. Suitable base materials include normal weight concrete ranging from 2,500 psi to 8,500 psi. Drill a hole into the base material with a rotary hammer tool to the size and embedment required by the selected anchor. The tolerances of the carbide drill bit should meet the requirements of ANSI standard B212.15. Blow the hole clean with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Please note, when installing threaded rod 7/8 diameter to 1¼ inch diameter or rebar number 7 to number 10, an air compressor must be used. Use a hand pump or compressed air for threaded rod sizes 3/8 to 3/4 or rebar sizes number 3 to number 6. Please note, however, when installing threaded rod 7/8 diameter to 1¼ inch diameter or rebar number 7 to number 10, an air compressor must be used. In case of standing water in the bored hole, the water must be removed from the hole. Starting from the bottom or the back of the hole, blow the hole clean with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Select the proper wire brush diameter and attach the brush to a drilling machine or battery screwdriver. Brush the hole with an appropriate size wire brush a minimum of 4 times. For deeper holes, a brush extension should be used. After the hole is properly brushed, blow the hole clean again with compressed air or a hand pump supplied by Powers a minimum of 4 times. Attach a supplied static mixing nozzle to the cartridge and load the cartridge into the correct dispensing tool. For every working interruption longer than recommended working time, as well as for new cartridges, a new static mixer must be used. Prior to inserting the anchor rod or rebar into the filled hole, the position of the embedment depth must be marked on the anchor rod. Prior to dispensing adhesive into the anchor hole, squeeze out separately a minimum of 3 full pumps and discard non-uniformly mixed adhesive components until the mortar shows a consistent color. Fill the cleaned hole approximately 2/3 full with adhesive, starting from the bottom or back of the anchor hole. Slowly withdraw the static mixing nozzle as the hole fills to avoid creating air pockets or voids. For diameters larger than 3/4 inches, a plastic extension nozzle should be used with the mixing nozzle. The anchor should be free of dirt, grease, oil, or other foreign material. Push the clean threaded rod or reinforcing bar into the anchor hole while turning slightly to ensure positive distribution of the adhesive until the embedment depth is reached. Be sure that the anchor is fully seated at the bottom of the anchor hole and that some adhesive has flowed from the top of the hole and around the anchor. Air pockets are present when the threaded rod or rebar attempt to spring from the hole, or air pockets burst during installation. In case of air pockets, remove rod or rebar, inject additional adhesive, and reinstall the anchor during the gel time. If the gel time has been exceeded or the adhesive has hardened, Redrill the hole and repeat the complete installation. Allow the adhesive to cure to the specified full curing time prior to applying any load. Do not load, disturb, or torque the anchor until the adhesive is fully cured. After full curing, the fixture may be installed. The nut and washer can be installed on the anchor, and the anchor can be tightened to its maximum torque using a calibrated torque wrench. PE1000 Plus can be installed in temperatures as low as 41 degrees Fahrenheit. PE1000 Plus has been evaluated for short and long-term loading conditions. PE1000 Plus comes packaged with a static mixing nozzle. PE1000 Plus is suitable for wet and water-filled holes. PE1000 Plus comes packaged in a dual side-by-side cartridge. A standard caulking gun cannot be used to dispense PE1000 Plus. PE1000 Plus has been tested in accordance to the new AC308 criteria for adhesive anchoring. In order to clean the hole properly before injecting PE1000 Plus, the hole needs to be brushed a minimum of 4 times. Hole cleaning requires that you use compressed air or a Powers hand pump to evacuate concrete dust. PE1000 Plus must be allowed to cure before applying a load or torque value.